These little girls are on their second scoop of grain. Not that they get a whole scoop, but they get about a half a cup at a time. But they've eaten that much. So they're doing really good. I got them out, got them eating. This one was playing, just being a crazy little girl, because she is a crazy little girl. And I turned around, and they had eaten it all up. And they had their feeder turn around. These girls are busy eating. These guys are busy eating. Mr. Minty says, I like hay. That's good for you. Hi, Frig. How are your girls and boy? Hi, Wilma. Hi, Pebbles. Hi, Bam Bam. Bam Bam, I don't think your mom and your girl sisters want to let you in. No. No, I don't think they do. But you're awfully, awfully cute. Hi, Xander. Did you clean up all the grain? I come in and give these guys hay. And then I let these little girls out and give them some food so they can have a place to eat. Somebody likes to go hippity hop around, don't ya? Where are you going? What are you doing, Penny? Oh, you found me. Yeah. You girls are having such a good time, aren't ya? It rained all day. So the other goats in the barn, they are all inside. So they got grain, they got a little hay. I'll give them more hay tomorrow if it's dry. Sam's supposed to be back on Thursday to work on my deck. I'm supposed to get that resurfaced, which I think will be pretty cool. Get that done. Oh, we are so busy. Where are you going, Thundergirl? TG, come on. Come on, TG. Yes. Penny, what are you doing? Did you come and eat? Hi. You come bouncing right over to see me, don't you? You're a good little girl. Yeah, you should eat. I know you want to play too. Yes, little goats love to play. Got a little egg from my little chickens, which is always cute for me. I just love watching them. Hi, how are you? I think everybody likes you, Thundergirl, or they don't even notice you. But how can they not notice you? Yeah, you're so cute. You're so cute. Do you want to go back in and see her? Go back talk to your mom? You want to go talk to your mom? Go on. No prompting on my part other than to open the great gate for her. You're such a cute little goat. Penny, do you want to go see your mom? Come Come on, Penny girl. You're just about old enough to get a collar, but I don't know if you're big enough yet. Your mom didn't make enough milk and get you too big. That's why you're getting extra feed, and she's not really providing any milk at this point. Come on, little girl. Don't you want to come and see me? Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. You can see Miss Penny is still trying to persuade her mom. She wants to be with her mom, but she wants to be out here. Miss Thundergirl, she doesn't care. She says, I'm a big girl. I can do what I want. I'm little Miss Independent. But I like to see my mom. Yeah. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave me comments with things you'd like to see, suggestions, questions, whatever you want to say, or whatever you'd like to do. And if you haven't, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications when I post. And well, thank you guys for subscribing and sharing my video with others. And I will talk with you guys tomorrow. Have a good evening.